You can integrate with Online Check Writer API to use the features we provide inside your application interface. We offer the API for creating checks, sending checks on mail or email, do ACH direct deposit, and many more features. Here is how to test our API. Go to test.onlinecheckwriter.com. Sign up a free account. Under the Settings menu, find Developer Panel. Here you have the API key for testing purposes and the complete documentation. You can also set up a webhook to get responses to your application. Click on API Documentation. You have all the instructions and code with you now. You can see the base URL for the sandbox and live environments. Click on Run in Postman to take a copy to your Postman account. A new collection Online Check Writer API v3 and an environment Online Check Writer Sandbox is created now. Get the API key from Developer Panel and assign it as variable auth token. The base URL is set automatically here. Make sure you are on right environment. Now you can send the API requests to Online Check Writer. Let's go with an example. We can make a bank account, pay, and create a check using API request. In the collection, open Bank Account and select Create Bank Accounts. The URL to send request and API token for authorization is generated from the variables. Go to the body section. Here are the codes to be sent over the URL. Provide the details needed for the bank account. You can create multiple bank accounts simultaneously by taking a copy of the same code, separated by a comma. Now, click on Send. You will get an instant response, whether the request is success or not. If the response is success, the data is sent to the application. Now we have the bank account. Let's create a payee now. Open Payee from the collection and select Create Payees. Go to Body section and provide the details needed for the payee. Click on Send and look for the response. Now we can create a check using the created bank account and payee. Open Checks from the collection and select Create Checks. You will need bank account ID and payee ID to make a check. Get the IDs by retrieving them using the Get method. Open Bank Account and select Retrieve all bank accounts. The request is ready and click on Send. This will retrieve all the bank details, including ID. Similarly, get the ID of payee. Use this IDs to create a check. You can also add a voucher ID or create a voucher with the check. Once the details are provided, click on Send. This will create a check in the application and can be visible in the checklist. Likewise, you can test all the functionality from the Postman and implement into your application.